Hello, my most amazing artist. Today we're going to watercolor this adorable fox that we've drawn together last week. The last time we worked together, we drew our foxes. The second thing we did was we outlined with a Sharpie marker. The third thing we did was we erased all the pencil lines. And now we're ready to watercolor. All right, so go ahead and get your watercolor set and your water and get ready to wake up your watercolor. I'm gonna make sure you can see this in the video. I'm gonna overlap my set onto my fox a little bit. I'm just adjusting so you all can see good in the camera. There we go. Okay, the first thing you wanna do when you watercolor is you really wanna wake up your paints first, always starting with the lightest color. We're gonna use yellow, orange, and red today. First, I'm going to spin my paintbrush in my little paint set like a ballerina. Ballerinas love to go round and round, twirling around and round. So I'm gonna re-wet my brush, twirl my paintbrush in there, waking up my yellow. And between each color I'm waking up, I'm rinsing my brush and my water. I'm gonna wake up orange. And until you get like a good little puddle in each, and here's red. Notice how I started with my lightest color first, because if I were to use red, my water would have been red instantly. As you need clean water and your water becomes unclear, go get some more water and it will help make your masterpieces more bright and colorful. Make sure it's going good. Okay, so now I'm going to start with my yellow, and I'm going to paint some of my yellow on the forehead and the upper part of the head of my little fox, wiggling that color back and forth with a very wet brush. That just keeps my brush very juicy. And then I'm gonna touch into my red and just float that red around on my fox's top of his head. I'm leaving this underneath really nice and furry. This is giving me a really nice outline. It's also blending the colors really nice together. And then my last thing I'm gonna do after yellow first, then red, I'm gonna touch into the orange and let the orange move around my paper, helping blend my red and my yellow together, and I should have a really nice orangey color. Just gonna blend the rest of that just with loading up my brush with a little bit of water.